fuck with
But
you.
nobody do it big.
My nephews, y'all.
I'm sipping on some liquor.
Right?
Hey. Hey.
Hey, yo, she got 5%, man.
Man, you good. Come on.
Young Hydro on the track.
Hey.
Yeah, go. Young Bill Boat.
Can I talk?
Yo, what's up, kid?
Speak your piece.
Boy, I'm spaced out. Blow it back out till I make her tap out. Yeah. Put your hands in the air. 2, 3, jump, man. I'm over here, I'm over there.
Yeah.
I came back coasting. I ain't bragging or boasting. You laughing or you joking? I'm on I-20 coasting. I'm a I-20 rolling. My granddaddy watching me hold it. Boy, I'm headed to the top, but even goes. I put my mind in this music. Mama tell me, boy, if you gon' do it, then put your mind to it. My granny R.I.P. My grandma R.I.P. That's a moment of silence. Fuck it, I'ma take a knee. Tell you where I be. Right now, we out here in the sea. My little brother right next to me. My uncle standing where he supposed to be. My little nigga Tim. Drink on my boy, got it off the rim. I catch it like Tim Hardaway when I slam, do it again.
Saying R.I.P. Let me get up on the knee.
Come on.
I'm speaking on Aaron Smith. Can't forget about Billy
Right on.
G.
Yeah.
I'm his motherfucking twin. You think of him if you look at me.
Young Bill Boat.
I need to get a shirt, nigga, but that'll probably make me weak.
Right.
That'll probably make me think about the shit that I've been through.
Right.
When I was rolling around listening to people I shouldn't have listened to.
Right.
Yeah.
Telling me the best.
Come on.
How many streets trying to finesse.
Come on.
Dead broke off in the
You
country
hot.
because I was raised in a sticks.
Come on.
Young nigga hitting licks. Plots and scheming getting rich. Tell my nigga it ain't shit and I never trip over no bitch.
Right.
Player made to the shade. Can't forget my Louis Timbs.
Yeah.
Rockin' around like Uncle Slim. Matter of fact, was Uncle Slim.
Right.
Uncle
Man, I'm
Shady.
finna get it in. I done spent too many dividends.
Yeah.
Like 20,000 to get out of jail. Man, I'll never cold cack again.
Right.
And I'll never sell crack, never that. Niggas always talk, but they fall flat. Their
Right.
pockets weak. I'ma see notes, but your pockets sitting on B flat.
Right.
But I can do them numbers. I can count 100. Niggas got a G of Prolazam.
Right.
500 Zans. You wouldn't understand.
Yeah.
How you numbers, fam. I'm just with the words.
Yeah.
What you down to do the shit? I said prefer what you prefer. I just spit these words. I just curve the
Come on,
bitch.
nigga.
I just hit the turd. And I'm the shit, nigga. Minus all the turds. It's just what you heard,
shit, nigga. Then go ahead and take a pic, nigga. No Snapchat, we don't flex, nigga. Only flex on niggas, not a bitch, nigga. There's a lot of niggas saying peanut name, trying to slag my name straight through the mud. I don't give a fuck, cause I'ma stand up. And if you speak on me, I throw my hands up.
Throw my hands up, throw my hands up. I'ma get the text, throw my hands up.
Yeah.
You bring your man, nigga, I have a man up.
Yeah.
Nigga better put your chest out, nigga. Proud, say it loud like a proud.
Hey.
Wipe it down, boost it. LA nigga, I'ma wipe it down. They hating on the nigga style. I heard this nigga here a pedophile. I been off the chain for a fucking while. Nigga checking for my lifestyle. You wanna check a nigga lingo, I hit your hood that like bingo. She don't even speak no English. But when I pull up, she like bingo.
I got a bad bitch, she stand 6 foot tall. Don't nobody ever wanna test her. I was waking up early in the morning, 25 grams on the dresser. Young nigga put it in his pocket, nigga hit the school straight finna check her. And when a nigga get back to the block, I'm calling out the plugs and nigga finna send
I was
him.
skipping school like fuck it. When I kicked those, yeah, nigga, I was riding in a Lexus, just a bucket. That bitch was right, my mama kicked me out the house. I slept up in it at the nighttime. I was out my mind, I was told now. I got pulled over, 3 laws behind me, nigga. In the car, I had 3 nines, and I ain't even lying. How could I tell that? Niggas know that I kick this, but never sell crack, but I can kick facts and I can do this. I'll never tell on that shit. But I'ma go ahead and double back and get your mind right for the motherfucking time, like niggas sending them to see me in the limelight. And let me jump up on it, let me get my mind right, nigga.
Young niggas, gangsters walking silent. So in case they hearing, I'ma stop the violence.
Yeah.
I'm hawking in the air, I'm flying in a motherfucking pilot. I'm talking about AFJ, JFK. Do this for the day. King K. Listen to Big Pokey riding on slab Sensei.
King K. Can't forget about King Zay, King Tut, King Tim, King KG. Can't forget about King Nut. I'm speaking on my real niggas, nigga. The one that put a foot up in the butt, riding in the bucket or a parasine, got the regal ass straight lifted up. Goddamn.
I only want round
All that nigga for